Today I'll be showing you how to sign in to your Google Play Store account in the web browser. So you need to open your browser, type play.google.com, which is the official homepage, web page for Google Play Store. You can see a lot of things here. You can see movies, apps, your account, payment method, subscription. You can redeem your card, wish list, play activity, and parent guide. So on your top right corner, you can see the sign in button. You can just click sign in to sign into your Google Play Store. You just need to put your username or with gmail.com and then click next. So you need to put your password and next. That's it. You are logged into Google Play Store with your account. So if you don't have a Google account or Gmail account or account of Google, you can check the description below on how to make a Google account or how to make a Gmail account. You need to understand this. You need a Google account and then you need a BlueStacks software to run the Android version. So open the BlueStacks. Here on BlueStacks, as you can see the Google Play Store. Click it to sign in with your account and then click sign in. So enter your Google account, Gmail account. Hit next. Click next. I agree the terms and service of Google and accept Google service. So you are ready to go. You already are. You log in, sign into your Google account. Now with the help of this BlueStacks software, you can play games. Like if you want to install games on your PC, you just click the game and install. Click install. So it's installing the software. It's already downloaded, and as you can see, BlueStacks has installed the Subway Surfer, the game, on your PC. So you can open it, run it from your, and you can play the game on your computer or PC. You have to choose the account. You can easily play the game. And you can check on the description below on how to download and install the BlueStacks installer on your PC to play Android games on your PC. And you can install the game from Google Play Store also. You can click the install button, or on your home page you can, on the library, you can see you have installed your game. You can just click and hold for a while and delete the game. By this, you will uninstall the game from BlueStacks or from a PC. Thank you for watching this video.